We live in an age of wonders. Technology advances at an unprecedented pace. Artificial intelligence is at the forefront of this revolution. One company pushing the boundaries of AI is ByteDance. Known for their innovative apps like TikTok, now ByteDance introduces Omnium One, an AI poised to revolutionize video creation. Imagine you have a single photo. Maybe it's a historical figure, a celebrity, or yourself. Now imagine bringing that photo to life. That's the power of Omnium One. This AI generates realistic animations from a single image. No need for motion capture suits. Omnium One is a game changer. This is not science fiction. It's happening now. This technology opens up a universe of possibilities. It challenges our understanding of reality. We'll explore Omnium One's capabilities and impact, journey through the exciting opportunities it presents, and delve into the ethical challenges. Let's begin. We're witnessing the dawn of a new era in video creation, an era where the only limit is our imagination. Omnium One possesses remarkable capabilities. It can transform a single image into a dynamic, moving figure, but it goes beyond simple movements. This AI can generate complex actions and intricate gestures. Imagine a historical reenactment. You want to portray a famous speech by Abraham Lincoln? With Omnium One, you wouldn't need actors or elaborate sets. You could use a single photograph of Lincoln. The AI could then animate him, bringing his words to life with realistic movements and gestures. Think about the entertainment industry. Imagine seeing a young Elvis Presley perform on stage, digitally resurrected with the help of Omnium One. Or picture a movie where long-gone Hollywood legends share the screen with today's stars. The potential is limitless. This technology could revolutionize the way we tell stories, preserve history, and even interact with our favorite celebrities, past and present. It's a testament to the power of AI to blur the lines between reality and the digital world. How does Omnium One achieve these incredible feats of animation? The answer lies in the massive datasets used to train the AI. ByteDance fed Omnium One a vast library of videos. This library included footage of people walking, talking, dancing, and performing countless other actions. Through machine learning, Omnium One analyzed these videos. It learned to associate specific movements with certain body positions. Omni conditions guide the AI's animation process. These parameters provide context and constraints. They specify emotional states, movement styles, and environments. Acting as a director, they ensure realistic and contextually appropriate animations. This sophisticated training allows Omnium One to generate highly realistic animations. It's a fascinating example of teaching machines to replicate human movement. Section 4. The double-edged sword risks and challenges of AI-generated video. With any powerful technology, there are inherent risks. Omnium One is no exception. The ability to create such realistic animations raises concerns about potential misuse. This technology could be used to create convincing deepfakes. Deepfakes are videos manipulated to show someone doing or saying something they never actually did. Imagine the potential for spreading misinformation. Someone could create a deepfake video of a political leader making inflammatory statements. This could influence public opinion or even incite violence. The spread of such fabricated content could erode trust in media and institutions. Beyond politics, deep fakes could be used for personal attacks, bullying, or even blackmail. Imagine someone creating a compromising video of you that could damage your reputation or relationships. As this technology becomes more sophisticated and accessible, the potential for misuse grows. Section 5. A universe of possibilities, Omnium One in education and entertainment. While the risks are real, we must also acknowledge the incredible potential of Omnium One. This technology has the power to revolutionize various fields. Take education, for example. Imagine history lessons where students could interact with virtual representations of historical figures. Imagine learning about science from a digitally resurrected Albert Einstein or Marie Curie. Omnium One could make educational content more engaging and immersive. It could bring history to life and inspire a love of learning in students. Beyond education, The entertainment industry stands to benefit immensely from this technology. We've already touched upon the possibilities in film and television. Imagine creating entire virtual worlds populated by AI-generated characters. Think about the potential for video game development. Imagine games with incredibly realistic characters and immersive storylines. Omnium. One could also revolutionize advertising, allowing brands to create personalized and engaging content featuring virtual spokespeople. Section 6. The ethical frontier, navigating the uncharted waters of AI. As we venture further into the realm of AI-generated video, ethical considerations become paramount. The ability to manipulate reality so convincingly raises questions about authenticity, truth, and the very nature of human perception. How do we distinguish between real and fabricated content? How do we prevent the misuse of this technology for malicious purposes? These are not easy questions to answer. We need to develop robust detection tools to identify deepfakes. We also need to establish clear ethical guidelines for the use of AI-generated content. Education is key. We must increase public awareness about the potential benefits and risks of this technology. Furthermore, we need to foster a sense of responsibility among developers, creators, and users of this technology. It's about finding a balance between fostering innovation and protecting ourselves from potential harm. Section 7. Conclusion. A new era of video creation. The arrival of Omnium One marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of video creation. It's a powerful tool with the potential to revolutionize industries, reshape entertainment, and redefine how we learn. However, it also presents us with significant ethical challenges and the potential for misuse. As we stand on the cusp of this exciting new era, we must proceed with both enthusiasm and caution. We must harness the power of AI for good while mitigating its potential risks. The future of video creation is here. It's up to us to shape it responsibly. What do you think, my friends? Are we ready to embrace this new reality?